Welcome to the session. In this session, we will discuss how to design DFA that involves NOT or complement operation. Let's start the session. Suppose we want to design a DFA that accept all string over A and B that do not end with BA. So it involves NOT operation. So first we will design a DFA that accept all string that ends with BA. So minimum string is BA. So BA will be accepted and we will reach into the final state. Let's call it as Q0, Q1, Q2. So first we will designing the DFA ends with BA. So it can have any number of A before first B, that is BA, ABA, 2ABA. All these string will be accepted, 3ABA and so on. So initially we can have a self loop of A. After adding first B, we can have any number of B. For example, BA will be accepted, then BBA, then B2BA, B3BA and so on. Now consider the string BAB. So on reading of first B, we will move from Q0 to Q1. On reading of A, we will move from Q1 to Q2. On reading of B, we will move back to Q1 so that the string BAB will be rejected and BA will be accepted. So on reading of B, we will move back to Q1 state. If we will read A on Q2 like BAA, so our pattern will be destroyed and we are expecting to read BA after this one. So we will read A and we will move to initial state. Now for designing the DFA that do not ends with BA, what we will do, we will change final state into non-final and non-final state into final state. So Q0 will become the final state, Q1 also become the final state and Q2 will become non-final state. Transition will remain the same. And on reading of A on Q2, we will move to Q0. There is a self loop of A on Q0. So this represents the DFA that will accept all string that do not end with BA. Now we want to design a DFA over 0 and 1 that accept all string not containing substring 00. So first we will design a DFA that will accept all string having substring 00. So minimum string is 00. So on reading 00, we will move to the final state. Let's call it as Q1. Let's call it as Q2. And once a substring 00 will occur, after that any number of 0 and 1 can occur. If we will consider this string 1 0 0 0 0 2 1 0 0 3 1 0 0, all these string will be accepted. So before first 0, any number of 1 can occur. Now 0 1 0 0 will be accepted. So if we will read 1 on Q1, we will move back to Q0 state. Now we will design the DFA that will accept all string not containing the substring 00. So we will design the DFA and we will change the final state into non-final state and non-final state into final state. So Q2 become non-final state, Q1 will become the final state, Q0 will become the final state, and there is a self loop of 1 over Q0. On reading of 1, we will move from Q1 to Q0 and this represents the DFA that will accept all string not containing the substring 00. Now we want to design a DFA that accept all string not containing even number of letters. So first we will design a DFA that will accept all strings containing even number of letters. Length of the string W is 0, 2, 4, 6 and so on. So initial state will be the final state. Let's call it as Q0. On reading 0 or 1, we will move to state Q1, which represents odd number of letters. On reading of 0 and 1, we will move back to Q0 state. Now we will design a DFA not containing even number of letters. So we will change final state into non-final state and non-final state into the final state. So Q1 will become the final state, and this represents the DFA that will accept all string not containing even number of letters. Thanks for watching this session.